Sunny days, everybody loves them. Tell me, baby, can you stand the rain? Storms will come, this we know for sure. Can you stand the rain?
It ain't always gonna be these rainy days, and not every day we'll see sun out. Heaven is my home, but I'm sitting in the dugout. Gotta make a hit when I step up to the plate. When I swing, I don't miss. Bat 1,000, reach the base. Got the love for the game like Jordan on the diamond. This ain't even my sport, but I love it, so I'm trying. I wrote my first rap verse 8 years old. I still remember every single word that I wrote. It was colder than a polar bear's toes. I had a karaoke machine and a microphone. I even did a talent show at my school. I did this song with a Biggie hypnotized beat. I thought it was cool, and I never really practiced it. I wasn't prepared. Hopped on stage and forgot all my words. Damn. Hey, we all mess up sometimes, man.
Everybody loves
Be
them.
human.
Tell me, baby,
Nobody's
can
perfect.
you stand
We don't never take no losses. It's either you're winning or you're learning. You know what I'm saying? The only losses we take is the loss of life, man. I lost too many close outs. J.O. T-Time, we love you. Every time I seen you, homie, had a big old smile. I would dap you up and give you a hug, cause I ain't seen you in a while. Then I heard you had a child and you just got out. Sat down 5 years, never ran his mouth. You got out, talking loud like you can beat me in chess. Damn, now we gotta lay you to rest. God bless. Now you sit on the sky, far away from Lucifer's side, where angels fly. I talked to you the other night before I heard the news. Made me drop my head to the ground like I'm tying my shoe. Called your brother, called your girl, even called your pops too. Trying to find somebody tell me that it's not true. Not you. Damn, they got my right hand man. I'm gonna miss my best friend. Rest in peace, T-Time. Yeah, see you on the other side, brother. Thanks for all the good laughs, bro. Thanks for all the love you showed. Always keeping it 100 with your boy.
Always kept it thorough.
This
One of the realest ever to walk this earth.
Ever walk this earth.
Thorough, straight up. That's my brother, man.
Bro.
Cutthroat committee.
Cutthroat.
We gonna miss you, Cuddy.
Rest in peace, T-Time. Love you, bro.